Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. For this tutorial, we will be making an acrylic keychain to look like this peekaboo cup. If you're interested in that video, stand by. So the supplies you will need for this video will be glitter. So I'm thinking about using the gold and the red, but I'm not sure if I just want to use the gold. You'll need an acrylic keychain. All links will be down in the description box below, except for the glitter, because I got the gold from Walmart and the red from Michael's. You'll need tassels. I bought those from Amazon, as well as the acrylic. And you'll need, of course, some hardware to put the keychain together. You'll need a medicine cup, and of course we'll be using UV resin because it cures fast and I don't want to wait for epoxy. And then the UV lamp, if you live in a sunny area, you can put it out in the sun to cure for about 20-30 minutes, and that will do as well. Or if you have a UV flashlight, you can use it as well, but I have the UV lamp, so that's what I'll be using. And I'll be using my Cricut Joy to cut out my decal. But you can use your maker or your silhouette or whatever cutting machine you have. And of course you'll need vinyl to make your decal. And I'm trying to think, I think that is all that you will need. If I'm missing anything, I will talk about it as the video goes along. And I'll also have everything in the description box below. There will be links to those that on Amazon where I purchased some of the stuff. Those links are affiliate links, and if you purchase something from that link, you will I will earn a commission. It will be no extra cost to you or anything like that, but it does help me purchase stuff so I can create more crafts and more videos for you. So just go ahead and click that link if it's up in your spirit. Another thing, my Facebook group, I have a few people over there. Right now, like I said, it's just coming together. So I will have it across the screen for you to go ahead and join. You just have to answer the 3 questions and I'll go ahead and admit you into the group. And then we can share, discuss, do whatever. Just be nice and not disrespectful. And what else? I think that is it. Everything else will be in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get this video started. Image for our decal. I'm going to search it. I think it's Wonder Mom. Yep, there we go. So it comes in black and gold. This is how the image came off of Etsy, in black and gold. So I'm going to just shrink it down some because it came in real big. And then it is in a print, so I'm going to hit no fill, and then I just changed it to silver. I'm going to get my shape, my circle, and the acrylic is 2 inches. So we want to make this a little smaller than 2 inches. I think that's good. And then we want to change the colors of this so we can print it out on our mat. So we want the W to be gold and the mom to be red. You can just print it like this and just duplicate it and print it out twice, but you'll be wasting vinyl that way. Or you can just do it like this, which I'm about to do. I duplicated it. I am going to go over here to contour. And for that one, I'm going to hide the M, the O. Is it? No, that's the W. I want basically I want the mom hidden. Oh, I think I hit a piece of the W. Okay. There we go. So I want the W to be gold. And I'm going to click this one. I'm going to hit contour. And now this time I'm going to hide the pieces of the W. And I think that's a W. Okay, let me just make sure. Yep, because I hit an M by accident. All right, so then I'm going to do that. All right, and then I want the mom to be red. And then I'm just going to fit those two in like that. All right, and everything is set. So that is how you can change it. So when you print it out, you don't have to waste any vinyl by duplicating it in different colors and reprinting it. And then we're just going to make sure these are grouped so they size exactly the same, and then we'll just shrink it down. So it can fit on. Okay, nope. Actually, I'm going to make my circle 2 inches. There we go. I want the decal to be smaller than the circle. So, because our acrylic is 2 inches. So I want to see how it fits. And that fits okay. I might want to shrink it down just a little bit. So your circle is the template, just to show you how it will look on your, make this bigger so you can see it, how it will look on your acrylic. So that fits wonderfully. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hide this circle because I don't need the circle anymore. And then we're going to go ahead and send it to my Cricut Joy. Make sure that's turned on. And the Cricut Joy you can use without the mat, or you can use with the mat. I have a couple videos showing how to cut, I believe, with the mat, and I think I have a video on the card too. All right, so if you have a Cricut Joy, this is how you'll use it. You'll go to on mat, done. So just try to move it off of the line there. And also what you could do as well to avoid any you like taking the mat out, putting the mat back in, you can put this, you can move this, move object, and you can put it on to the red mat. It'll be in red, but you can, this one's a W. You can move it to a corner and just put your gold right there in the corner. But just make sure when you have when it's on your mat that you line it up right. So I'll show you how my mat looks in a second, but let me just show you. So it's not smart iron-on. It's really not smart vinyl. I'll just use premium vinyl. Why is it not already here? There we go. Premium vinyl, regular. I don't even see the regular. Pearl, what? Oh, there we go. Right in front of my face. Okay. And you can hit this little star and they'll save it in your favorites. I've done that, and it, of course, it kind of deleted. So I'll go ahead. So it's making sure the mat is aligned and all that other good stuff. And then we're going to go ahead and click go. Okay, so once that's done, you just hit unload and it will just take it off of the mat. So everything has to be done on the computer. As far as the Cricut Joy, I like it because it can do small jobs really fast and you don't have to pull out the big mat or the big maker or anything like that. So I like the Joy. So let's go over here and let's set up this. Okay, so we have our decal. I'm going to go ahead and cut around it so we can save the scraps, because you never know when you may need a little piece. All right, and then the fun part, weeding. So because it's small, just move slowly when weeding it so you don't pull up any of your letters. right. And this is Oracle 651, so it is permanent vinyl. All right, so I have a piece of transfer tape. So I was going to use the red glitter or the gold glitter, but I went ahead and used the blue glitter instead. And as seen in previous videos, all I did was drop a little UV resin into the medicine cup, and I'm doing that now, and just mixed it with the blue glitter. I purchased the blue glitter from Walmart. I just put a little Q-tip in the hole, so when I'm putting on the UV resin with the glitter, it won't accidentally get into the hole. You want to make sure that you're putting like a thin layer onto the acrylic circle. On the red and gold one, as you can see in the corner, I put too much on there. It was like really thick, so I'm going to use that one for something else, probably like an ornament. So right here with the blue, I'm just doing like a very, really thin layer. So I'm going to go ahead and just speed that up, and you can see how I'm just applying the blue glitter onto the acrylic disc, and then I'm going to put it underneath the UV lamp for about 4 minutes, and then we'll get to adding the hardware. Have the blue one, and we're just going to go ahead and take that plastic off, and if you wanted to, you can put something on the bottom. All right, and I'm going to put the decal that we made on the back. All right, so what we're going to do is and this is the side that we just removed the plastic. The glitter side we're just going to leave as is. We're not going to put anything on there right now. We're just going to leave that as is, and we're going to put this decal in the middle. So just take your time so you don't have to do it twice. Rub it on there. All right, I'm using a little tool here and make sure it's on there. Going to peel it off. Where's my backing? And you can save this, so just set that to the side, and voila. So I think on this side I'm going to do one more thing, so bear with me 1 second. All right, so the back was looking kind of plain, so I just cut out a star to put on the back. So I'm just going to make sure it's in the middle. All right. I had it stuck on the transfer tape tool. There we go. All right. All right, so once you have all of your decals down, again, this is 651, so you can just leave it like this as is, but I am going to just add a little extra protection and put some UV resin on the top of it just to make sure it's secure, because when it goes in and out of a bag, the vinyl can get messed up. So I'm just going to so it is finished baking. It's all nice and covered. I like it. I think it's really cute. All right, so the final step is to turn it into a key ring so we get our keychain hardware. Let me go ahead and open this up a little bit more. Turn this UV lamp off. All right. Okay. And I will put this where you can get the hardware from in the description box below. I got it all from Amazon. All right, and just take this and you close it as such. Make sure it is closed. All right, and there we go. A lovely little keychain to go with our peekaboo cup. And inside of the cup, I'm not sure if you saw, is gold on the outside, and then inside there are blue stars with red. So this goes right with it, and this is a gift, and I'm going to go ahead and add the keychain along with it. So I think it's just a cute little Christmas gift, birthday gift, whatever gift, especially if someone is a mom and who loves Wonder Woman. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button down below, and also go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel. Thank you for everyone who has already subscribed. And to be notified when I drop new videos, go ahead and hit that notification bell, and check out my my Facebook group page. It is Crafting Made Easy 1. I will have that in the description box below, so you can go ahead and click on that hyperlink and it will take you directly there. If your computer does not do it, just copy and paste it and go to the group, answer the 3 questions, and you'll be able to join the Facebook craft group. All right, if for any more information, just check out the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video again, and until next time, peace.